Experts have asked the Defense Ministry to carefully audit the existing Project 75 for 6 Scorpene submarines, because the French firm Naval Group is also competing for 43,000 crore rupees Project 75I, as nearly 30% of the 19,000 crore rupees contract cost went towards transfer of technology, but India has still not become self-sufficient in designing and building submarines from the 6th Scorpene submarine. Mazagon Docks Limited should have established an indigenous supply chain to source components from the Indian suppliers, but this also did not happen, and apart from the 4-year delay, the cost of the contract escalated substantially when Mazagon Docks procured materials from the French manufacturer. More than 60% of the Scorpene-class submarine, including the combat management system and sensors, are imported, and experts have expressed concern so that it is not repeated with the Project 75I, which gives the chance to stabilize the entire submarine line on an existing in-service platform. The Indian Navy will operate all 6 Scorpene submarines by 2023, and feedback from the current fleet of Scorpene submarines will help to make the decision on the choice of the P-75I, that if the enlarged Super Scorpene design is the way to move forward. Going with the enlarged Super Scorpene design in the 3,000-ton weight class with the DRDO-developed AIP module and vertical launching system module for the Project 75I will offer considerable commonality in spares and maintenance cost with Scorpene submarines, and will also result in lower training cost, as well as the Indian suppliers will have to make minor adjustment to supply parts for Super Scorpene. The Ministry of Defence could also consider a consortium of both Mazagon Docks and Larsen & Toubro to produce the 6 next-generation submarines to drastically cut down on delivery schedules, as using one shipbuilder will see the 6 submarines delivered by 2036, while parallel production by both Indian shipyards can directly halve this delivery schedule. With the gained expertise, India can also develop a nuclear-powered attack SSN submarine based on the same enlarged Scorpene design. We had reported in April 2019 that the Indian Army is seeking a medium-range precision kill system for its light regiments, for which the DRDO had showcased a full-scale model of the upcoming 120mm rocket. The Indian Army requires the MRPKS to have a range of 25 km and an accuracy of 2 meters, and will be mounted on 4x4 trucks for easy mobility in mountainous regions. It will carry a minimum of 24 rockets, and its vertical launcher will provide a 360-degree employment capability. The launcher should be able to operate in both standalone and battery configuration with long-range communications, and the MRPKS will feature an onboard guidance system and a passive infrared terminal guidance. The Army has already sanctioned 30 crore rupees as the estimated development cost for one set of ground support equipment and ammunition for validation of the prototype equipment, but the program is still at the stage of concern stage and is yet to receive acceptance of necessity. The Deputy Managing Director of Bharat Forge has said that the company is looking to acquire 175 acres in an industrial park for 240 crore rupees, which will house new factories for its defense and electric mobility business divisions. The new facility is expected to be operational in the next 2 years and will manufacture specialty vehicles and certain systems that will be used in artillery guns, as well as an assembly plant that will also house a testing facility. We had recently reported that the Bharat Forge will assume full control of Kalyani Strategic System by buying the remaining 49% stake in the company, which has already received an 178 crore rupees order for Kalyani M4 armored vehicles. Bharat Forge's advanced towed artillery gun system will soon start final summer user trials with the Indian Army, and the company can increase the production rate from 2 units per month to 12 units per month by the end of this year. 3 Dhruv Advanced Light Helicopters Mark III were formally inducted at the INS Dega Naval Air Station under the Eastern Naval Command. These maritime reconnaissance and coastal security helicopters are fitted with modern surveillance radar and electro-optical equipment as well as a heavy machine gun for constabulary missions. It can also be fitted with a removable medical intensive care unit.